Hey, how's it going? Jason from JC Lawn Tree Snowers is what we got going on today. We're working on the Poulan 306A, the infamous chainsaw massacre saw. I'm gonna case match the cylinder head to the cases there. Looks like there's a bunch of room right there to take out. I already started on this one a little bit. Zoom me in here a little bit. Let's see here. Right there. And right here, I did a little, started to do a little grinding on it, but here's what it looks like stock. And you can see as the gasket goes all the way up to here, so I should be able to take some back that way. And the transfers here on the exhaust, I'm just going to clean up the windows a little bit, and that's about it. It's pretty carboned up, so is the piston, severely carboned up. It's like a little hole here, and looks like something hit here a few times. But so yeah, I'll grind on these, and then I'll give you an after. Be back. I'm back. Here's what we got going on. Finished up on that grinding. Bring them back here quite a ways, right up to the cases. You can see the cases right there. They went way back, so I cleaned them up a little bit. Didn't go too hog wild on it. And on the exhaust, I just cleaned them up a little bit. Didn't widen them, just a tad. And a little bit on the ceiling, not much. Just basically removed all the carbon out of there. So yeah, next time we make a video, I'll have it in the wood. Alright, have a good one.